guys, welcome to Science Speak, and today I will show you how to make a composter. Yeah, cool thing. Get bone meal out of it, something like that. Give it its own medicine, like as I said in part 5. Yeah. Oh my god. Jumping some single player how to. Here we go. This should do it. Okay, so I've been getting these pieces of wood. Oh, 1 second. Oh, sorry, idiots. 1 second. Ooh. Okay. Where did I put that crafting table? Over here. So you got to do this. Let's get 12 of these. Do this. And there you have it. Very own composter. Nice. You'll see what you can do with this thing. I'll show you. So let's get a couple of flowers and like pig meat maybe. Yeah, let's just get a couple of flowers. Pig meat, some more flowers. Yeah, that's about it. Now we go to our composter. Ow. Okay, that was it. Here we go to our composter. Look at this. Oh, what? Oh, you can't do that? Okay. Just get some more flowers then. We'll show you what you get out of this in a second. Yeah, let's just get 11 of these. 12. Yeah, this composter. You do this. And when it's at the very top, like that, look at that. You get some bone meal. And that's when you can do this. Water. Flourish, grass and grain. Woohoo! Yee-haw, yee-haw, and cuts us short. Oh, don't want that. See you on the next one. Bye.